Alright, this is just a quick update. So, my apprentice happened to be watching a YouTube video this afternoon and had an epileptic attack and fell on the floor and scared the living shit out of all of us. Bit her tongue, bled everywhere, bled all over the white carpet floor. It's kids, they always find a way to screw up the carpet. So, we're down at the hospital, I got the ambo waiting. She's getting checked out and getting some scans, and hopefully have a hot water bottle and a warm bed for her. People keep asking why we bought an ambulance. Well, she went in by the real ambulance this time, but she's coming home by ambulance as well. It's kids. They just keep finding new ways to scare the living hell out of you. So, needless to say, she's going to get banned from that particular YouTube channel, and we're probably going to shift the refresh rate on her display as well. And institute a few different things. Bloody kids. Alright, I'll see you in the next video as a quick update, so not exactly the greatest one. Alright, let's move on. See you soon.